Today, we're going to make the Smoke Ember. So if you like Mezcal, stay tuned. If you don't, stick around for our personalities. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan, Derek, and Ian are going to show you how to make the Smoke Ember. This recipe contains, I'm going to do this first before I sidetrack tangent, 2 ounces of Mezcal, ½ ounce of apple juice, ½ ounce of ginger syrup, ½ ounce of lemon juice, ¼ ounce of Cynar, and a pinch of smoked salt. Look, I brought it over.
Oh, look at that.
I bet you that's their cheese.
Cynar yogurt.
So this was invented by Jennifer and probably Jennifer and AI working in tandem over like this is what she would do. She would come downstairs because she's all stoked to make drinks. So everything we do this month is all her stuff. But every single time this happens, by an hour later, she's already drunk, making more drinks. And like, awesome. It's like 2 in the afternoon. I'm over here like looking through my D&D books, like trying to, like I had old ones, so I was seeing if they were worth anything. So I'm just sitting over there. She's just building more cocktails and passing them over.
She found a new partner.
And the minute it doesn't work, like it's like, well, this one doesn't taste good. Try it again, try it again, try it again, iterate. And then you're trying them all.
See?
So then here we are.
Well, it's a good day though.
It reminds me of the Hendrix
Do you want to call your son?
competition back in the day. 60 cocktails.
60 gin cocktails.
Yeah.
How did you already get? Does he know? Like you're on a live stream. He's like,
yeah,
oh,
he's
ready.
He's like, oh shit. He's like, I'm gonna call him now.
So I made that ginger syrup. There may be a couple pieces of ginger that float in it because I was squeezing
it. That's good though.
All the better.
And yeah. I didn't have I didn't have any cheesecloths, so I was using paper towels, and they burst every now and then.
Oh yeah, no, that's.
So for that, I did.
You don't let the ginger just like sit in it.
I did. I did.
And just squeeze it out.
Well, you got to muddle it a little bit and like break it up and stuff.
Well, I blended it, not blended it. I macerated it or whatever, made it in little pieces, right?
Yeah.
Put it into the into.
You didn't masticate it.
No.
Okay.
I didn't masticate it. So it was. I did a ½ a cup of ginger, which that takes a lot. So if you're gonna be like doing like the grinding thing, like just use a machine.
Yeah.
So I did a ½ a cup of ginger, ½ a cup of salt, ½ a cup of water. Put them into there, let them simmer. Like after it gets to the boil, you let it simmer for 10 minutes, then I let it cool off, and then squeeze it.
Mm.
So I tried it. It's not too spicy, but it has a good sweet sugar to it.
Yeah,
oh, this is good stuff.
Yeah,
I know. Remember we were using that last time.
Right?
I know it's good.
What do you consider a pinch? Is it just like a?
Oh, just like that guy from that TV show that's a chef.
Yeah.
Or
that guy. Or bam, that guy.
Emerald. Guy Fieri, they all probably would give you the same pinch. Unless you get a person with really thick, big thumbs, it's probably going to be fine.
It's good.
And you don't want their fingers in your drink anyway.
Right.
They got thumbs like that.
True.
Right.
Hey, no problem. I figured I'd do something.
I wonder how.
You know what I'm missing?
Ice?
A strainer.
I don't know. That's an 8-ounce glass. This might.
Yeah, this is like a 4-ounce drink. Do we want a smaller one? Or do we just want to use this so we don't spill?
Yeah, use that one. It's cool looking. The other one's too small. Like
that one? Do you want to use this one?
It's the same size.
Is it?
I think so.
It's just shorter.
Yeah. It's got like a different shape. Glasses are weird that way. Like they come out like it's like when you get a bottle like this and they're all 750.
It's gonna have some space.
Yeah, that way you're not spilling it.
Yeah.
Well, like these are the same size, but they're not. Like
nothing more annoying than a
glass is
cocktail
fucking
glass
weird.
that's filled to the top and you can't walk with it.
Yeah.
Right. I want to walk with it.
You need some room to breathe.
I'll check it out.
No. Don't get up.
I won't.
He's got it.
I got it.
I thought the producer was supposed to set all this stuff up.
No, she just yells at us when we talk too much.
They just produce.
Yeah.
And no one really knows what that means.
Right.
Neither do I.
But you fake it like a champ.
See,
Right.
when you basically make an internet show and it's just you in your basement, you can come up with any titles for anybody you want. I don't know what you're supposed to do. I don't do this stuff.
Well, I think you deserve a promotion. You should be the executive producer by now.
Baby steps, Ian. Baby steps.
You're right. It's only been 15 years.
Oh, it's good.
Let's not jump ahead of ourselves.
Way too soon.
She doesn't want that responsibility.
Right.
Right. Think of all the extra
That
work
undefined
you have to do.
responsibility.
That's right.
And Ian's gonna love this drink.
All these drinks.
It's good. You can't really. The smoke comes back at like the end.
It's not too bad.
But you think
No.
it's giving some smoke from the salt too?
Yeah, I think I'm getting some of the salt smoke.
It is a smoky. I always forget like which are the most smoky. Like, I don't know what this is. Mezcal Sacrificio. This is the Tobala. So it's not a Espadine. So it's gonna have a different taste to it. I think the Tobalas tend to be more mineral. Is it mineral? No, I think they're more fruity because they're from like the higher altitudes, I think, and the mineral ones are kind of lower.
That's where all the fruits live up top, the higher altitudes.
I don't think it's just.
It's definitely a little sweet though.
But we've
The
added
mezcal?
sugar. Yeah, sugar in it. Well, not the mezcal, but
No.
ginger.
No, I mean the drink's not like overly sweet or anything.
No. It's got a good. I think you got the bittering, but you have the like apple juice is sweet, but it's not like. It's not like.
It adds
like
enough sweetness to it
orange
between
juice,
the
like-
ginger and the apple.
Yeah.
That's good.
That was good.
I think the hardest thing to find today was this fucking apple juice, actually. Like, I wanted the little apple juices instead of, like, this big-ass apple juice because my refrigerator's got enough stuff in it already. And, like, they have the toddler ones, they have the light ones, the half-calorie ones. I'm like, what about just apple juice?
You have to get juice boxes.
Yeah, you have to squeeze them
Yeah,
all
that
out.
would be. I mean, you would make a mess
But
I
that
think
would
because you'd be
half the
squeezing
fun.
it out of the hole, or you try to put the straw in and squeeze it out of that.
or I would stab the top.
Yeah,
which-
definitely
Or
a
cut off
mess.
the corner.
But you would have tried to gingerly stab the top, but then you would have just, you would.
I think you're showing a disturbing lack of faith right now.
I think you would have got overly excited.
That's probably true.
So, okay, now thinking about this from the pool, which was the initial exercise, was what could we make at the pool in large batches? That one, I think, would be okay.
I don't know if that one made it.
This is
It's got citrus in it, so would you have to batch it like
It
add
would
the
be
citrus
really
after
complicated.
and shake it?
I think this is more of like a.
It's a lot of work.
No, I think this is like a evening drink.
It's too much.
I could see it like.
Like, you don't want to drink it all day.
No, like if it's like the first drink, like if you're at like sitting on a patio
Yeah.
and you're like, oh, I'm gonna have a few drinks.
It
We're gonna
needs
have
to
a
be
little
more
food.
juicy for a pool. Or light.
Yeah. I mean, I think it's really good, but I think it's almost like,
It's refreshing, but it's too high in alcohol for sitting in the sun.
yeah.
Oh, I didn't look at it that way. You were looking at it as too high to alcohol to sit in the sun and drink these all day. I'm thinking of like how much ginger simple syrup I'd have to make.
Because it's
like,
dry too.
Ginger's a pain in the ass to work.
Which
Yeah.
makes you want to drink
Because it's
more.
like, yeah.
Yeah.
It's like dry in the,
Oh,
but
you
like
mean-
drinking all day, like with something that's dry and you're in the heat.
That's true.
Like I said, it's a great, like I actually really like the taste of it.
And it brings up the smoke.
The ginger isn't like too strong.
No.
It's
It's perfect ginger because I made it.
It is.
You could probably just buy ginger syrup at like on Amazon if you want to. Link below, I guess.
Like, this is
But like,
You should just make it.
you could just.
Be
It's
legit.
really the hard. You know what the hardest part is? If you have a device that could just slice it and all that, it's fine. The hardest part is getting the damn skins off.
Oh yeah.
Ginger skins because they get the nipples everywhere.
Can't you just mash up a thing of ginger?
Yeah.
with
Do
the
you have to
skins
worry
and-
about the skin?
Because
I
you
don't
got to strain
know.
it out anyway.
Yeah.
I don't know. Like it just felt weird to put the skins in there. Are you supposed to? Question of the day: do you leave your skins in there? Skins in?
What's it
Like,
going to hurt?
I would leave the skins in to.
Seems like it's too much
Or
work.
do you? Why do you think
It
the skin
wasn't-
would make it bitter or something?
I just figured it would be like, yeah, like give it a different weird earthy taste or something maybe because it's like directly in the soil.
It's such a strong flavor from the non-skin part, though.
Yeah, I guess I could have tried that. Especially
Yeah,
since
next
you're
time.
squeezing it all out.
Yeah, next time.
I did shave it, like 'cause even my peeler was in the dishwasher, so I had to cut it with a knife. So
Oh
You're
yeah.
You're wasting a
You
lot
got to
of
do it
time.
with like a spoon.
Yeah.
You can do it like a, but that's a pain in the ass.
yeah, I could have like
Yeah,
Take
you
the
take a
spoon
spoon and
carry
yeah.
yeah. So if you're better and smarter than I am, you could probably prep it quicker, but I didn't. So there's that.
But it's a good drink.
So go make it if you like mezcal because it's going to be smoky, and you have Cynar, which is I got a comment. Somebody's like, "Oh, you said it right." Like, yeah, I know the
Cynar.
internet. Like you can, yeah, because you could be Cynar, or I don't know how else you would say it. Cynar,
Cynar.
Cynar. But yeah, it's
No,
Cynar.
I'm never gonna be able to say it again
Yeah.
right away.
There you go.
Cha.
That's
Cynar.
gonna be it. Check out shop.ostrakes.com, link below for my store. You can get yourself glassware and some cocktail bitters left and whatever else we sell. Barware, mats,
Everything.
bar mats, shaker kits. Go get it.
Buy it.
That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.